Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you how I made a waffle tic-tac-toe board out of air dry clay. I'm going to start out by rolling out some clay, and I'm going to make sure to keep this about 1/2 of an inch thick. To make this, you're going to need something that is a square, so I just took 2 mini blocks and taped them together to make my square, and this is going to help me stamp out where the little squares on the waffle are. I didn't plan this out ahead of time, so I was just trying to figure this out as I was doing it, and I ended up doing 5 rows of squares in each direction. Using my needle tool, I'm going to start to roughly cut out my waffle, and so I want my waffle to have a rough edge, which is why I'm cutting it in the middle of the squares that we stamped. Like, I don't want a smooth edge, if that makes sense. Like, this is the type of waffle that I'm going for. Using my loop tool, I'm going to carve out the clay inside of the squares that we stamped. You can keep your waffles square if you want, but I want mine round, so I'm going to cut off the corners. I'm going to smooth everything out with some water, and you could even use a small paintbrush to help you blend the inside of the little squares out. Now that the waffle is done, I'm going to make the fruit for the tic-tac-toe part of this project. And so I'm going to make little bananas and blueberries, and the bananas are really easy, just make flat circles, and of course little balls for the blueberries. We have the fruits and the waffle board done, so I'm going to let these dry for a few days.
A few moments later.
Here's the waffle board dry, and then the fruits, and I did end up redoing the bananas because they were just like a little too perfectly round for my liking, and so I decided to make them a bit more ovally. I did decide to sand the waffle board a little bit, and then I'm just going to make sure to paint everything else. For the inside of the waffle squares, I went in with a darker brown than the one I had just painted the whole waffle board with. But this brown that I'm using right now is a little bit too pinky toned, so I did go back and add some yellow to it, which made it a bit lighter. And I did seal everything with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try this out and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!